taught before. So the wave section is, so doko is going to count as 1, all right? So we're going to play 20 dokos.
Oh.
20 dokos, okay? So the first 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are going to be basically like 100 to 110%, okay? The next 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is going to be probably closer to like 80%. All right, you're coming down. And then the last 4, so we did 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and the last 4 are basically kind of like about 40%. All right, so it sounds kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then we have this little tag at the end, dokonko. All right, that's kind of coming back up. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dokonko. All right, so that dokonko is kind of coming back up. And we do that twice. For the purpose of practicing over and over and over again, just for today, the beginning part, I don't want you guys to play at 110% because you're going to wear yourself out, all right? I want you guys to play that at like about 80%, and then the next part at about 60%, and maybe the last part you can play at like 30%, all right? So don't kill yourself going all out. But as a performance style, I want to tell you guys, like, when we're performing, that big wave is like the most powerful section of the whole song, all right?
Straight beat, straight beat.
All right, so I want us to just practice just the wave, and all we're going to do is we're going to do that first line, all right? So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dokonko. That dokonko is going back kind of big because then we're going into that wave again. All right, but we're not going to do the second big wave. We're just going to do the first one, just the first line. All right? 1, 2, solo, re. Not bad. So just remember that last dokonko is kind of going back in, like leading back into the next big wave. Let's try it one more time, just the first big wave. 1, 2, solo, re. Good. One more time. 1, 2, solo, re. All right, let's try that twice in a row. Oh, hold on, Walker, you want to record it?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's recording.
Twice in a row.